Жара. Сюжет РДР. Продолжаем. Бля, баню звука, хаддер, крова, хаддер, непонятно, короче. Улатларын кремерд звук нахер являва. Бля, не дай бог звук улатыгуга, бля. Он айтла брагас что ли. Бля, мехалуга коббаланда, сука да олар. Хозия бар отта. Қандай бар Хозия? Жүре себепсі.
Selling it back to where it came from.
Why?
I ain't got a market for it. They made it. They must have someone to sell it to. Stuff look kind of lonely out here. I think we'll cut ourselves a deal. Dutch was just doing your duty when you requisitioned it. Now I'm doing mine.
Atlıyordu короче.
Good luck. Thank you, John. We'll see you later. Dutch asked him to look into something to do with the Braithwaite horses, I think.
Блядь, маха.
Dutch asked him to look into something.
Ёбаный күнә жинақты тигер кудучыдау. Сол шачки кеден боларымды хайюнды юкунду.
You know the way?
Yeah, I've been there. So, what exactly are we doing?
Так, кахара бадуды. Ачугас.
The moonshine we took after blowing up the Braithwaite still, right?
I think a good citizen's taken the
Бәрдә бәләре тавақты. Пивкая.
formal introduction, like Dutch told us. Look, these are two big old plantation houses. All I keep hearing is they hate each other so much they can't see past it.
I've seen it. There's a gray boy and a Braithwaite girl carrying on a secret affair. I've been, well, helping them.
The mind boggles. You think they're of use?
Not sure. They don't seem too involved in the rest of it, but maybe.
Well, I'm sure there's money in this for us somewhere if we can get in the middle of it.
Here we are.
Modest little homestead, isn't it? Hello, gentlemen. How are you?
What's that in the back there?
Moonshine, my fine fellow. May I have a word with the man of the house?
The man of the house is a lady, Mrs. Catherine Braithwaite.
May I speak with her? I want to discuss a business opportunity. I mean no harm. No harm at all. You may happily shoot me if I do.
Okay. She's at the house. We'll be watching you.
You heard the man. Driver, proceed, please.
What you want?
Found something. Out in the hills. Thought maybe you was in the market for it.
For what?
Some liquor.
I ain't in the market for what's already mine.
The way we see it, it's ours. Well, with us possessing it, and I checked all over. For the life of me, I couldn't see your name on it. Oh. Relax, I ain't here to rob you. Oh, it seems that's easy enough. Why not do a deal? What do you sell that stuff for?
$1 a bottle.
You give us 50 cents.
It's already ours.
Well, look on it as a reward for finding the property. Alternative is we go sell it someplace else.
The alternative is you get shot.
Now, who wants to get shot over a bottle or two of liquor?
Pay the man.
Pleasure doing business with you. And listen, we didn't take it, at least not without orders.
Oh, I know exactly who gave you your order.
Вспомнил. Аска беге самогон hep pyttyisi yrittänyt tonne kadät lästi. Osjong.
There's an extra $10 if you do. Drive the stuff from the roads, head over to the tavern run by Mr. Gray, and give the stuff out for free.
Mama.
Hush now. I believe they call that a promotional expense.
As you wish, madam.
You boys come back sometime and tell me how you made out. Maybe we'll play a little cribbage.
All right. Next stop, the Road Saloon.
Here we go.
Съебали с дороги, блядь, докуда, блядь.
So I finally sold those Cornwall bonds. Got close to 1,000 for them.
Так, роуд ститлedi. Tabii toos oğlum правда, то раза. Бухать я сепеди. Бовадан, например.
Especially after that bloodbath in Valentine.
Ош, онять. То oğlum. Нормально ведь. Жить будем.
Wants to keep their full effort on going after gangs. Gangs like us.
Yeah. That don't surprise me.
All right. This could get ugly. You and Dutch already have that.
Кронос педати опыта.
The sheriff.
Yeah, Mr. Gray.
That's it. Now we're inserting ourselves in his blood feud. We'll need something.
I ain't playing dress up.
Абы, бля, соло без хала бытта, бля.
You know how I feel about that.
Of course you're not.
Давайте лошадки.
You're a clown.
Да, газген.
Idiot. Look. I'm the clown. You're the idiot. Look sad and keep quiet. Even you can do that, Arthur.
Oh, I have to.
Put this hat on. Smoke this pipe. Bring your lip forward. Just a bit. Squint. Oh, perfect.
Бля, огнута повертата. Ai ajalla. Siinä nähti $10 kun tukunnalla hanavar.
Come on. Let's get this thing moving. Okay, Fenton, stay calm now. For Mama, she loved you so. Just a shame you had to strangle her in a rage, right? Grab 2 cases of that stuff.
Внимание, недостаточно видеопамяти, закройте другие запущенные приложения или уменьшите значение параметров графических настроек. В смысле, бля? Что такое? Отключайся, братишка. Так, отключайся от дискорда. Вообще Ага, выход. Önce daha toku bandura burası gün bir aradan bir himre. Ta Discord. Wait, Discord. Ta YouTube. YouTube bandura bakada YouTube'dan kamera alıp plan. Раз и глянет. Нормально. Ja.
Gentlemen! Gentlemen!
Tarmana tuoda kyllä tahtoa nyt.
Hello!
Zet.
It's my brother Fenton. Don't mind him, don't madden him. He's turned idiot. Killed our mother, but it weren't his fault. How'd you boys like a couple of bucks? One for each of you. We're in the new trade of advertising, which is an American platform in which people buy close things. One more dollar. Says give us half an hour. What harm can we do in half an hour? Go along now. Enjoy the money. Come along, Fenton. Let's hand out the liquor.
Аргыра, бля, нихуя себе. Как бы куда-то хама.
Get behind the bar down the corridor there. Gentlemen! minute. The drinks in this here bar, in this here town, are entirely free. You gotta drink 'em. So hurry up, put old Penton to work. Don't get him mad, though. His mama made him mad, and we buried her. Poor thing. Now come up to the bar, everybody. Come on, fellas, it's your lucky day.
I'll have one, Fenton.
A gift. Bounty. It's a sin to look a gift horse in the mouth. When I see a gift horse, I don't put my eye in it. See, this is sold. So drink
Keep
up.
'em coming.
Don't be shy, boys. Don't be shy. It's the land of opportunity. Now it's your opportunity to get hideously drunk. Come on. Come on.
Mr. Gray won't be happy about this.
Fenton, grab another bottle. Plenty to go. We got work to do, my boys. Let's go.
then?
Providence is shining on you, but don't let her down, my boy. Come on. Come along.
You're a fine man, Fenton. A fine man.
Бля, серьезно, или не бату куда тромбата, бля, куда коваты ваты.
Hey, sit a couple this way, will ya?
Hey, keep it coming. These souls need some joy. Hey, snap out of it. I'm sorry, gentlemen. He's not normally this slow.
I'll have one, Fenton.
You there, you look like a drinking man. Come on up. Come on, Fenton, they're getting thirsty.
What hit the spot? Keep 'em coming, Fenton. Just keep 'em coming.
So, drink up, drink! Good evening, gentlemen. Quiet libation.
You.
Me?
You're the bastards who stole the liquor we was gonna buy.
Joe, we're in advertising. Come on in and have a drink.
That's our goddamn
An
liquor.
honest mistake.
Boys, get him. We run the liquor around here. Stay the hell out of our business.
There's a special place in hell for those who cross the race.
That's how you want to do it?
You think we wouldn't find you?
Абас хаты да халты ата улам брагым, бля.
Good job, Arthur. Upstairs, hurry. We're gonna show you that limit. Come on, get up here. Arthur, help! Think you can steal from us? You're dead men. Help me! Do something! Hey, hey, this way!
Давай, давай, давай. Бля. Сука. Бля, надо пивка попить. Тоқтар да.
The bitch is dead.
Good job, Arthur.
There's some lead with your name on it.
We run the liquor around here. Stay the hell out of our business.
Тур, бля, өлбөтүн нерсе, өлөлүккө тур. Жолло.
Come on, get up here! Do something, Arthur! Arthur! Shoot this bastard! Arthur, help! Get off me! Help
Бля, по бугагу духата будто, бля.
Ain't gonna let this go, are they?
Got more coming after us.
I see them.
Well, shoot them then. Either Arthur coming out of the alley.
Стоп. Где мой обрез, бля? Good job, Титов, это хорошая работа. Стоп. Патронами-то, братан, кто? Кадас. Давай, ходи вода. Ай-ка, бля. Ай-ё, бля. Абас, тоқтар. Мой друг идеал. Оу, бля. Еще дохасыл пивка. Нихуя себе. Бля, обрезка патрон окуган бай.
I'm getting us out of here.
Ain't gonna let this go, are they?
Over there. They got out the back. Got more coming after us.
I see them.
Well, shoot them then.
He shot my horse. Get those bastards. Bastards. You think we wouldn't find you?
Either Arthur coming out of the alley. In front of you, Arthur.
Блядь. Я заебал, обрез. Бахал, сука, обрез. Бля, а паскуду коржины иде, бля.
You see any more of them?
Don't think so.
Bitti что ли? Там араб бахпа куду етлedi.
I reckon it's more they don't want another gang on their patch. All right, we're good.
Remind me never to take up a career. What was it?
Advertise.
You think that woman set us up?
No, I don't think so. Maybe. This place is odd.
I keep seeing those fellas.
Some local militia. Clearly not too happy to have some new competition. I'll go visit old Ma Brakely. See what's what.
Why?
We've been making money. Chester's filling up again, slowly but surely. we just get ourselves good and lost. But we still
لا
need
تشاتم ولا غشتول.
before that can happen. So for now, let me go give old Mrs. Braithwaite some of this moonshine as well. Let's call it a peace offering.
Sure.
That was fun, man. We'll make it after New Year.
So, what do you think? About what? Fine folks around these parts. Oh, real nice.
Exactly. On the one side, we have got the Gray family. Scots, degenerates, drunkards, the local law. You couldn't make this stuff up. Rich as Croesus. And on the other, their mortal enemies, the Braithwaites. Moonshiners, hypocritical, both rolling, we believe.
In gold. And in the middle of it all, you got some inbred retelling of Romeo and Juliet.
Exactly.
So what you boys thinking?
We try to rob them both.
You sure?
Why not?
Because we got lawmen in 3 different states after us.
Last thing I want is to get us into trouble, but we need money. Now, we have the opportunity here to put ourselves in the middle of something ain't nobody gonna know we was here. Because even without us, these fools are gonna kill each other anyway.
Okay, well, Hosea's gone back to see that Braithwaite woman.
Good. Hosea should definitely take the lead on this. I sent Sean over to Braithwaite Manor, too. Now, you can meet up with them, or join John and Javier at the Gray's place. Something to do with the Braithwaite's prize horses.
How the hell did we get in at the
Burası da kadar göremedim lan.
Kindly put in a word with his father.
Aa ne fikrim körün takutları diye yaptı canlar.
We gotta convince each family that we're on their side.
Который да. Ляпить в покидах морально, честно.
Who's up for playing poker?
Why not? Why not? My brother taught me to play this during the winter in Vienna. I never beat him once.
Что там? Толстос.
I'll check.
Bir para bar.
How about that?
Interesting.
Okay, okay.
Бля, фул хаус будто, сука. Kaç hakkında hette on tette.
Anybody here to play?
I am all in.
All in, ай, куча. Бля, пятам это чё, бля, гонишь что ли, бля?
Have a look at these.
Let me introduce you. That is annoying.
Бля, КМД 10,8, 10,8 это, бля. Вы выиграли по сплиту банк. А, нихуя. И кем фулл хаус айдут?
You know, Strauss, I think you're tougher than you look.
I'll try to take that as a compliment. I wasn't raised by outlaws, but life wasn't easy for me growing up. Robbing and selling back to where I came from.
Austria and
Блин, мне карту не бы ровно. Тоқта, братишка. Бешеный король. Да, чек.
No, thank you.
I'ma play slow.
По старый. Айче. Без центр для врата вот. Заебал кидали. Теперь король.
No.
Це давай чек.
Well, what do we have here?
Две пожалуйста. Эй, бля.
As planned.
Огонь джигай была.
No matter where or how money changes hands, the same basic principles apply.
Да, только куда хатын тох по агасым тус. Чек. Пац, агасах пармеха.
That's what I got.
Дзеба пастара бас. Опять это вот ёваны. Бес. Агас. Ставь лыпу дальше.
There we go.
А так, кто сидит, смотрит, посоветуйте, пожалуйста, какой-нибудь мультсериал какой-нибудь. Аба, я выиграл. Типа Симпсоны, только не Симпсоны, а Американский папаша, всякие это, Футурама и Гриффин. Такие мультики не надо посоветовать, да, я их смотрел. А там тугру видео, другое что-нибудь хочу. Рик и Морти пока не надо. Рик и Морти я летом посмотрю. Так, и какие у меня карты? Покажи-ка, братан. Это дама. Отчаянно ставка. Алты, это агыс. Б тост надо, либо без. Ставим.
Things beginning.
А заеба пастам ставим.
Back in Austria, my uncle and I would run scams in the casino. I'd sit behind the other players and signal to him.
Whatever you say.
Не понял, бля. Вот, види карту 0 даты.
To see emotions get in the way of business.
Где бизон юлилируем. Так, какие у меня карты? Весо. Пиздец налащил.
Wakey, wakey.
Now, don't get too worried.
Yes, this is how we should play.
Okay. Here you
Ты давай.
go. Load of garbage. Wow. Good for you.
Good.
No, no. Oh, that's a decent hand.
Yes, yes, it was inevitable.
Guess I better go.
Ой, не могу хотел бы хмарала, да? Ладно, господа, на сегодня, я думаю, хватит. Что-то устал. Пойду какой-нибудь сериал посмотрю. Так, завтра с друзьями пойдем дальше PUBG играть. Сейчас-то никого нет уже. Посмотрим, кто тут. Кикибар кратер. Дискорд хотя бы включай. Бля, пивка аппарат. Агостробот. Кахва тасту. Оу. Ты постоянно пивка гаються і бісить. Бля, съм баскадни øyn жөлігіна заебал. Так, лохма, честно так. Да ладно, ребята, спокойной ночи. На сегодня хватит. Завтра зайдем.